Hey guys, so I am a Persona and Atlus fanboy and bought the collector's edition for 3, 4, and 5. I bought the re-release edition for 3, 4, 5, and now I bought the 30th anniversary surprise pack. Um, yeah, you don't want to know how much this is supposed to cost, but it's supposed to be a good value, and so we're gonna check that out right now. We're gonna open this together and see what we've got, whether it was worth it or whether I got suckered. Either way, should be interesting. So there's a surprise. I'm not going to share the personal info there. A couple of things. The surprise merch, merch group B, merch group C, merch group D. All right. So there's that. Well, this is interesting. Here's the first item right here. A brown kit, Persona 5 LeBlanc Curry kit. Take a look at this. We'll open this up right now. I wonder what it is. I don't even know what this brown kit is. Take a look at that right there. Nice case. Oh, interesting. So it's a napkin with the LeBlanc curry thing on there. And some actually pretty nice utensils. We got some metal chopsticks, metal spoon and fork, and you can, I don't know if you can see right there. It's got the LeBlanc logo on there. It's the boss's face. That's kind of cool. That's kind of interesting. I like that. I'm not going to ask how much that is, but this is really nice. It's in a really nice plastic case. So let's rewrap that and put that away. That's cool. I can bring that to work, I guess. But, you know, definitely not for everyday use here. I'm a big fan of cutlery. I'm a big fan of the kitchen, you know, stomach. So that's cool. That's a nice first little item there. This next item, okay. Yeah. I don't think I can use this too much, but this is the maid outfit. One of the teachers, I guess I spoiled that, but basically it's a maid service uniform charm, and that's kind of cool. Nice little high quality rubberized thing there with a little strawberry charm. That's kind of neat. Ooh, black envelope. Sealed. We'll open that later. Let's see what else we got. We've got a little black bag right there. Put that away. What else we got? Metaphor Refantasio. This is a new one. This is a 5-patch kit, apparently. Unfortunately, I don't use patches, but this is, you know, it's nice to have merch. It's nice to have. Let's take a look. Little title cards there. That's title cards. Badges. More badges. It's kind of a nice 5-patch set. Not my choice of merch, but hey, you know, it's interesting. We'll see what I can do with that. That's cool. And right now, as far as I'm aware, there's a sale going on with some of the Persona merch. We'll see if I buy anything else to put this stuff on. So let's set that aside. Got another little keychain here. Which one is this? Gallica. Interesting. Let me take it out of the bag and get a better look there. Oh, Gallica. Okay, yeah. I think that's from Metaphor Refantasio. I could be wrong, but that's kind of neat. Neat little keychain. I have the game. I haven't played it yet. I should get around to that. Damn you, backlog, having to work for a living. That's kind of rough. Let's put that away for later. I mean, so far, this is already a pretty good amount of stuff. I mean, yeah. Let's see what else we got. We got... All right, let's open this little black bag first. This mystery bag, whatever this is. Blind bags are always interesting to me. Okay. That's cute. It's a little plastic Jack Frost standee. That's hella nice. I mean, it's the cheapest thing on the thing so far in the set, but that's really nice. That's a neat little display thing. Cool. The series mascot. All right, let's see what's in this black envelope. Mystery. Mystery of mysteries. Open that up. I am ashamed to say that I don't recognize this. Is that supposed to be a catchy? It's an interesting keychain, that's for sure. Akechi at the Beach, maybe, from Persona 5? Or is it one of the pro tags? I think it's Akechi. But that's not too bad. It's a nice little plastic keychain. And this is the last item in the set. Oh, wow. Okay. This is a Hawaiian shirt from Persona 5 Royal. This is the Carmen design. Carmen is one of the personas of one of the allies of the character. That's kind of cool. Red shirts are always neat. My family loves to wear red shirts for happy occasions. And this, nice material. There we go. Look at that. Roses, and you see the little heart designs on the minions there. That's kind of neat. Now, overall, what do I think of this package? I mean, it's not a bad set of items. It's certainly a lot of items. And not exactly what I would have chosen for myself, but it's, you know, definitely an interesting selection of items. You get a lot. I got a couple of keychains, that lunch kit, which is cool. I think that's my personal favorite right now, that and the shirt. So, but yeah, patches for Metaphor Refantasio. I really ought to play that game. Cute little, you know, maid service uniform charm that well, basically it'll be in-house. This is cute. The curry spoon and fork kit was really cute. Some keychains and the Gallica keychain. That's cool too. Right here, the Gallica keychain, little fairy. And of course, the little Jack Frost thing. I think this one was the neatest item. This little Jack Frost standee. Is it the most valuable? No, far from it. In fact, it's probably the least valuable thing in there, but it's still amazingly cute. Is it a lot of items? Yeah. Is it a lot of value? Yeah. I expected a little more apparel, something a little more practical. So I don't know if I'd buy it again, but yeah, I mean, between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and of course, 7 items. Not too bad. That averages out to, you know, maybe about $10, $12 a piece, something like that. So in the end, it's not a bad value. You get a lot from it, but like I said, the catch is, of course, that would I have bought all these pieces individually? Probably not. But there are some neat things in here, and it looks like it was a pretty good value, price-wise, per item-wise. Can't complain. No, so that's the Persona 5 Surprise Package Bundle. I hope you guys are able to get one too. Cheers.